As a nerd, I get excited about silly things, and this is one of the things I'm the most excited about. This is one of my Amazon purchases, my favorite Amazon purchases in the last 3 or 4 months. It's an EBL battery charger. It's a nice big battery charger. It holds a whole bunch of batteries. It holds, 16 different batteries here, AA and AAA, which is 99% of what I ever use. It does have a regular just US plug, and then it has one of these little things that you plug into the side. I'm going to plug it in here. I'm going to put it in. Here's why I like this thing. It instantly, instead of just doing little LED lights, little crappy chargers like this, just do like little LED lights, greens and reds, and that doesn't really help me a whole lot. This thing actually shows you an indication of kind of what you're charging, how far along they all are. It'll eventually kind of catch up with, but you can see it's kind of telling you, okay, these are some, these are low, these are whatever. And then you can put new ones in. If you don't have anything in the slot, there's obviously nothing there. I'm going to go ahead and put a AAA into here. There we go. And instantly it begins to pick it up right there. There we go. Now I have mostly EBL batteries. I like them. I have some Eneloop batteries over here. Okay, I've recently picked up some Philips rechargeable batteries, and they work great too. I'm going to go ahead and pop that in, just like that. And sure enough, it's going to start showing me. So there you go. This is just, I like the indicator. I like the fact that it's showing me. And when I go walking over here to this thing, I can say, gee, which of my 4 batteries, I need 4 AA batteries, which are the most charged or which are charged? And I can say, aha, these 4 here, I'm going to grab them and go. Okay? Instead of just kind of relying on blue or greens or yellows or whatever. I just like the indicators. I like the fact that it's 16 and this pretty much charges all the batteries I need all throughout the house. Game controllers, cameras, multiple game controllers, remotes, flashlights, toys, anything and everything. Typically I have a battery ready to go here. Usually I would used to do all AA's on one side, all AAA's on the top, but I found myself actually needing more AA's and AAA's, so this is kind of where I got. But it works well. On the back, just so you know, there is 4 little feet. You can just kind of rest it on the little rubber feet. I actually have it on my kitchen counter right now on the thing. I just kind of grab it. Everybody knows they're there. My kids just walk over. They look for the ones that are full. They pull them off and they pop them back in. They know to put the batteries back in. They know how to do it. They pop in and out real nice and easily. There's no real resistance. There's a little spring there that pops them in. It's a nice click, not hard, just works well. I just really like the fact that it's got indicators that kind of shows me stuff. It's a nice big charger. It works really well, and this is just highly recommended.